think you should be.
What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another Crypto TV episode. In today's video we're going to be looking at the cryptocurrency market as well as other cryptos, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And lastly we are going to look at a commenter's top altcoin that needs review. So let's just look at the cryptocurrency market cap. I'm going to refresh the page here quick to get us a good idea as to what to look for. As you can see, we're kind of having a good day so far, or a good night, I would say. Everything's kind of just consolidating right now. Bitcoin down 1%, Ethereum 1%, Ripple down 0.8%, Litecoin up 7%, which is nice, and we're going to talk about in a second. But otherwise, we're having a pretty much, like, we don't have a good, it's not a great day, it's not a breakout, nor is it a drop. We're kind of just consolidating. So when I click on Litecoin, you'll notice what exactly has happened. You'll notice we have, on the 4-hour chart, retested the middle moving average right here. We have fallen, popped off the middle moving average, and have moved higher. You'll notice our line of resistance was, again, 212, which is good to see now that we are above the 212 mark, because now it is going to act as a line of support for Litecoin. And as you notice, we are literally in between this trend, this uptrending channel that we have literally fallen into, which is nice to have as a line of support for Litecoin. Now, the two major issues I'm going to see, challenges, is going to be this 220 mark, as well as this uptrend, this line of resistance right here. If we can break out of that, that'll be awesome. We'll use it as support later on. But otherwise, we're having a pretty good day. 220, we literally came right back from our 180 mark. We're already back to 220 where we were consolidating here before. So not much has changed. We are a little overextended, a little oversold on, overbought on the RSI, but we're still doing good. You'll notice though that there isn't much resistance until we get to that 235 mark, which is where we were about a week ago when we had that conversation. So there isn't much to worry about. I would just like to see us break above the 220 mark. Hopefully when I wake up tomorrow, we will see a nice line of support instead of resistance. Hopefully it will continue upwards, which is what I expect to see. Let's check the cryptocurrency. Let's just see how much is in the market, for Litecoin. I'm going to just go back. I didn't mean to go off that. Litecoin seems to be, I saw 1 billion. Yeah, volume of 1 billion, which is nice to see. Now let's check the charts and see how much volume is being pushed in Litecoin. Hopefully it will be a lot, but we'll check right now. Let's just scroll down. Click on the 7-day. Seems to lag. The CoinMarketCap website likes to lag on me every time I record, but hopefully it'll load up pretty well. So nothing much you'll notice on this right here. It seems like there isn't much movement. That 1 billion just seems to be where it's at. Thank you, James Thibault, for the subscribe. Sorry, I did not mean to click the 7-day. But you'll notice on the 1 month, hopefully, definitely more volume being added to Litecoin, which is nice to see. So definitely good news in that case. Going back, yeah, the only thing I want to see Litecoin do is to pop above that, and then we'll maybe hang out in here, consolidate like we did last time, and then hopefully we'll break out and go above. But you'll notice that we are starting to move back upwards. So I would definitely hodl your coins. I do have much potential in Litecoin, and I can see it going easily, retesting all-time highs at around $400, $415. As for Bitcoin, I know a lot of people have commented that I don't talk about it much, and I would like to talk about it. You'll notice on the 4-hour we are coming back up to retest the middle moving average, and you'll also notice that the red band on the middle moving average is about to cross over the green band, which is an indicator that we are going to go higher. So that is definitely a good news, a good a sign, let's say. I cannot find any lines of support, so we're kind of just doing our own thing, using this line of support here at 9,500 as something to bounce off of. But yeah, we're literally just chilling here. Hopefully we'll go higher. I can't really draw out a nice line of support for, I guess a line of support for Bitcoin or a channel. We're kind of slowly going back up, but what is nice to notice is that we are very, very, very oversold on the RSI, the relative stochastic indicator, so that kind of is an indicator we should go higher. So expect tomorrow to see some type of upwards movement. We are coming down from this run, so hopefully we will go higher. As for Ethereum, still hanging out right here. We do have a new line of support that I did not notice in the last video that we keep hugging right now, right around here. You'll notice we've hit it numerous times as lines of support for Ethereum. So it seems like we're going to probably funnel down into here. You'll notice how the RSI has finally crossed over. The red band is finally crossing over the green, which is an indicator of going higher. But we are coming to a very, very, very nice point for Ethereum. So we'll have to see whether or not we can break out and go higher, or we're going to fall. So definitely something to keep an eye on. I know I am. I might be switching some Litecoin into Ethereum once I see us get a little bit higher and possibly cross this downtrend, because this is a huge downtrend that Ethereum has had for a very long time, all the way back since January 13th, and it's already the 25th of February, so a month and a half, no, almost 2 months of downtrend, so consolidation, I guess. So we should see a nice pop soon for Ethereum, so definitely keep an eye on that. Now I'm going to open up a new page, and we are going to find a commenter's coin that he wants to be reviewed. Hold on, I'll look that up in a second. Let's see. So we're going to review, let's try Quantstamp by Dodger07. Told me to review Quantstamp, left it in the comments. So let's pull that up quick. Hopefully there is a chart for that. It does sound like a familiar currency, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was. I would be surprised if there was one. I guess we're going to do Quantstamp to Bitcoin on Binance. Cool. So we do have a nice looking chart that I could definitely draw some good lines on. Definitely, definitely. I probably will have to go to the 1 day chart just to draw some solid lines. There we go. Much better. And now, for what you guys should notice is right here, straight down, is a line of resistance for Quantstamp. So this is another currency I would definitely pay attention to, because it seems like something is going to happen shortly on Quantstamp. I'm going to draw a line of support, which is very obvious for Quantstamp as well, right around here. Is there anything higher? I'm not sure if this is a line of support or resistance, but I'm going to pop that in too, and we'll check on the 4 hour, because we do seem to have numerous, yeah, definitely. You'll notice how this is definitely the line of support for Quantstamp from this downtrend. We've retested it numerous times, and this is acting as a line of resistance for Quantstamp as well. So definitely something to keep an eye on, and I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this currency as it gets a little closer to this bubble right here. I want to thank Dodger07 for recommending me to look into this, because it is seemingly obvious. I'm going to draw a better circle than that something should happen in this zone, and hopefully we should pop up higher. Definitely pay attention to this area as we funnel in. We're going to hopefully pop out and go higher, but from this line of resistance as well as this line of resistance, something should happen in this area. Seems to be happening on March 8th, so that is maybe in 2 weeks, so give or take. So definitely pay attention to Quantstamp. That is something to look out for too. But huge descending triangle. So definitely something I'm going to leave up on my computer tab. So definitely something we should pay attention to as time moves on. And if I see something nice, I will make another video specifically addressing Quantstamp. But I'm going to thank Dodger07 for recommending me to look at QSP. And that's pretty much going to sum up the video for today, guys. I know it was a little short. I'm sorry, but not much has been happening. You'll notice Litecoin is pretty much just chilling, finding this line of resistance, fighting it, I guess. Bitcoin finding this line of support, and Ethereum just funneling just like Quantstamp is too. And it's also very funny how similar Ethereum to QSP is. When I zoom out, you'll notice that's a pretty similar chart, if you ask me. So other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thinking about doing a giveaway. Most likely will. Not sure what yet. If you have any ideas, leave it in below. Might give out some crypto, might not. Might give out some apparel or something. But other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.